Though we bought the land a year back, we did not dig the bore immediately. We wanted to observe the farm over 3 seasons as to how much is the temperature in summer, level of rainfall in rainy season and winter temperature, so that we can select what suitable plants we can grow. Around March this year, we dug the bore. After reaching 600 feet depth, we touched very little water. After a lot of research on various water resources that we can build in our farm, such as pond digging to store rainwater, permaculture and rainwater harvesting. Finally, we decided on rainwater recharge of the bore we already dug. The real task was to find someone who can do this with confidence. After a lot of search on the internet, we found a hydrogeologist who is serious about this procedure. It took us 2 months. Around mid-May, the team of Dr. Devaras Reddy from Chitradurga, Karnataka arrived at our farm to set up rainwater harvesting system. I will explain the procedure in this video. Hope you enjoy it. As per the hydrogeologist, we understood there are more than 15 systems based on the farm location. It is very important to consult a professional to decide on which is the best system that is suitable for your farm. In this system, rainwater is sent into the bore through multiple layers. Procedure. In our farm, the bore is dug at the low level where rainwater can easily enter into the bore. Using JCB, they have dug around 7 to 8 feet depth around the bore casing pipe. They drilled half-inch holes into the casing pipe for rainwater to enter and covered it with 3 filter materials. After that, they filled big stones till 4 feet. After that, medium size and small stones were filled another 3 feet. Over that, a fine mesh net was spread which was covered with smaller stones.
6 mm.
The purpose of these different size stones is to filter mud particles and send clean water into the bore.
200 mm. 6 mm holes, 200 difference.
A 2 feet wall was built with inlet and outlet for rainwater to enter and
3 inches. 4 inches.
Thus the system is set up and we are hoping a good rainfall this season will favor our attempt. We plowed and leveled the farmland. Then we made a plan for 5-layer plantation. Plantation done over a week by collecting plants from nursery. Preparation for compost material. All set, now waiting for rain god to shower blessings for a green farm to grow.